Hi guys, my name is Nonima Tigela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to go through what is happening online. There by Twitter, there are what you call reports by journalists, SABC and Newsroom. They are reporting that there is breaking news of assassination plot at the Senzo Meyiwa trial. There is a conspiracy to murder, allegedly. What they are saying there is what you call let me read what Mnisi posted here. Linda Mnisi posted on Twitter, hashtag Senzo Meyiwa murder trial, breaking judge, prosecutors, and investigating targeted at Senzo Meyiwa trial. Police say solid intelligence was gathered pointing to a group of individuals attending court for the sole purpose of eliminating key role players. Oh, wow. And then, Senzo Meyiwa trial, the SEPs can confirm that a case of conspiracy to commit murder has been registered and under investigation in relation to the Senzo Meyiwa trial. The SEPs has received solid intelligence that there are a group of individuals who attend proceedings with the sole purpose of looking for an opportunity to eliminate key role players on the side of the state. The SEPS has taken a group of individuals who attended proceedings this morning for further questioning and profiling. Security has been heightened and intelligence is on high alert. All steps taken are to ensure we eliminate the threat as well as to protect and save lives. No arrests have been made thus far as investigations and search for more individuals continue. Okay. Let's talk about what people responded and said. First commenter said under Mnisi's post, yet the mastermind has not been arrested, but they are busy arresting people who accompanied Gwabini. Is this some kind of intimidation to defense witnesses? State has no case against the accused. Now, Baloyi, Gininda, and Rata are playing games to protect themselves. Another person commented and said, can the friends of Gwabini be involved themselves in damaging things like that? My opinion is the state is losing. Now they want to portray the witness as a dangerous person. To want to portray the witness as a dangerous person. This case is dead because it was built on lies. Another person, after Gwabini's testimony, then this, why one would want to eliminate state while they see the case is falling. One would have done such when the state was leading evidence. This is so good to be true. By the time this case ends, I will be a pensioner. That point there. Omunye ati, I'm sure Meshach and Abednego's brothers is involved. Who's Meshach? Oh my word! Oh no, he has nothing to do with this. I just realized what they're Meshach and Abednego's brother is involved. So that's Shadrach. No, guys, no. I don't know, bro. Omunye ati, Kante, who is being protected here? Omunye ati, the only people that keeps perishing are on the side of the defense where the investigation should begin, not the other way round. Omunye lies, the guys came with Gwabini and and he even raised that in court. Omunye, this Baloyi guy must be investigated and no, they have the audacity to say they have been targeted. Omunye, I don't think this will end well for the state. Terrible time to do illegal things. Omunye ati, will this trial ever end? Omunye ati, arrest Sibiya. Wenzenu Sibiya manje awushedrake guys. Okay, maybe it will come out, I don't know, but Omunye ati, you are pushing closed its case a long time ago, and all of this makes no sense. Please, rubbish Baloyi, Gininda and his team, Judge Rata and yourself must be arrested. Okay, guys, it's not me, it's the commentary, okay, of that post that was done by Linda Mnisi. You go there and read. Omunye ati, the state is so predictable, we continue with lies. Omunye amanga uwabona nje lawa aniyeke ukudlala ngezingane zabantu. Omunye ati, it's a lie. amunye athi corruption at its best. Omunye athi ayikho lento. Amunye the state is playing with us. Omunye rubbish. Why would they do that at court? Do you ever use your mind? Good question. Omunye uyikaka yomntu wena. Now that the state case is being disproved, this happened and the kaka inguwe grabbed the opportunity. Oh my word. Omunye at these no, there's no such. They want Kwabini to go to court alone so that Gininda and his team can analyze him. Omunye ati Gininda add it again. Omunye ati ateke OCJ, Republic of South Africa, are a bunch of disgusting, corrupt, shameless thugs together with Rataba, Loisiband and Gininda. If these threats were real, it would be lovely because these people aren't good for our country's justice system. Okay. Omunye ati lies. So people don't even believe this. How is this helping them? The masses don't believe this. So why? And funny enough, for this to happen after answering Bygots decisively, posted, why is the media quiet about what is happening in the Senzo Meyiwa case or Meyiwa trial today? And then we get these updates. And that was 2 hours ago. And then later after that, an hour later, we got these these updates. Guys, South Africa. Okay, let's see ukuthi Criselda uposte ntoni. Because naye fake news. What fake news? Okay. Let's see. I want to see what did she post on her site. Because wow. What a wow. What a wow, Sanala. Kwaze kwanzima eMzansi. You know what? Now I only trust Jehovah. He is going to deal with this mess. Him alone is going to solve this. And there is absolutely nothing these people can do to get themselves out of the mess. The mess that was created by the Senzo Meyiwa, people involved in that, and it's messy, guys. There's no running away. I'm sorry to tell you that. There is no way you are going to run away. Absolutely no ways. The entire showdown is about to show down. You can try all the theatrics that are out there, but it's not going to help, guys. It's not. The time has come. Oh, the time has come. The time has come, guys. There is absolutely nothing that anyone can do about it. There's absolutely nothing. Okay, there is Criselda breaking. Oh, she posted 2 hours ago. Police have confirmed that they have registered a case of conspiracy to commit murder. They say they are aware of a group of individuals who attend the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial with the purpose of looking for an opportunity to eliminate key role players in that trial. This allegedly relates to the earlier escorting of 3 men out of the court for questioning and profiling. Now, why would these 3 men come to court with that information? Gininda is always with police. There's always police in that courtroom. There's always. So why would someone go to such? Hey, I don't understand. I don't understand. I honestly don't understand. But again, those are the breaking news, guys. That about Gininda. I'm sure the police that were calling those people, if you remember, are the same ones that maybe they are working with Gininda and Umamfundis. Maybe Mukhola was there. I don't know, because that entourage is always there when they are there. So I'm sure they are the ones that are saying all of this. So, Mara, what I want to understand, who is investigating the case, is going to be Gininda. While they are the targets, is it going to be Gininda? And the entire cold case unit was supposed to be off that case. So what is going on? Does that even make sense? Okay. It is what it is, okay? That's what they are saying. So this is what Judge Rat. Okay, we'll talk about. This is what Judge Rat wanted to be put on record for the why. Okay, let me. Wow. I don't know, guys. It is what it is, Kekoto. Guys, what are your thoughts when it comes to this? Do you believe this? Do you believe that it happened the way they are saying it happened? Or these are really theatrics? Theatrics of what is happening there. Because the state case, you know, ayikho nje indaba yayo, Shem. Ayikho. Anyway, what are your thoughts? Let's talk in the comment section. I want to hear your views. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.